Good morning, everyone. Good morning, ma'am. My reporting today, The Blood Compact by Carlos Botong V. Francisco. Carlos Botong V. Francisco, 1912 and 1969, was a national artist of the Philippines for painting and a leading figure of the Philippines modernist movement. He is best known for his large-scale murals that depict Philippine history, tradition, and culture in a uniquely Filipino style. Si Carlos Botong V. Francisco, siya ay tanyag ng kanyang mural painting na nagpapakita ng kasaysayan, kultura, at buhay ng mga Pilipino. Carlos Botong Francisco, 1912 and 1969, was a Filipino muralist and one of the country's most renowned modern artists, known as the Poet of Agono. For his home province, he was posthumously named a National Artist of the Philippines in 1973, with Victorio Edades and Galo Ocampo. Francisco was part of the triumvirate that pioneered modern art in the Philippines, moving away from the more traditional style of Fernando Amorsolo. Si Carlos Botong V. Francisco ay nagsimulang magpinta noong dekada 1930s. Noong 1938, nakilala si Carlos sa kanya bilang isa sa mga unang pintor ng Pilipinas. Kasama niya sina Victorio Edades at Galo Ocampo. Background history. The Black Compact, also known as a Sandugo, is a historic event that took place in 1565 on the island of Bohol, Philippines. It was a traditional Filipino ritual that symbolized friendship, trust, and alliance between two parties. The event occurred between the Dato Si Catuna, a native chieftain of Bohol, and Miguel Lopez de Legazpi, a Spanish explorer and the first Spanish Governor-General of the Philippines. During their meeting, both leaders cut their arms, mixed their blood with wine, and drank it as a sign of their mutual respect and the establishment of peace and friendship between the Spaniard and the Filipinos. The Blood Compact of 1565 is considered the first treaty of friendship between Filipino and foreigners. It also symbolizes the early form of diplomacy practiced by native Filipinos before the full colonization by Spain. Ang Blood Compact o Sandugo ay isang kasunduan ng pagkakaibigan at kapayapaan na naganap noong 1565 sa Bohol sa pagitan ni Dato Si Catuna at Miguel Lopez de Legazpi. Ipinakita nito ang tiwala at pagkakaisa ng mga Pilipino at Espanyol. Example: the Blood Compact or Sandugo was a 1565 treaty between Miguel Lopez de Legazpi of Spain and Dato Si Catuna of Bohol, Philippines. It was ritual of mixing blood as a symbol of magkadugo over friendship, performed to seal the alliance between the two rulers. The treaty was made between Spanish explorer Miguel Lopez de Legazpi and Dato of Bohol, Dato Si Catuna. It took place on March 16, 1565 on the island of Bohol. Sandugo means one's blood in the Visayan's language. The ritual was performed by mixing the blood of the two rulers, often mixed with the wine to represent a deep and scared bond of unity and alliance. It is considered the first treaty of friendship between the Spanish and the Filipinos. Sabi niya po dito sa example, ang blood compact o sandugo ay simbolo ng pagkakaibigan at kapayapaan sa pagitan ni na Dato Sikatuna at Miguel Lopez de Legazpi sa pamamagitan ng paghalo ng kanilang dugo sa alak. At ito yung mga picture na pininta ni Botong V. Francisco. Ito yung mga example ni Carlos Botong V. Francisco na kanyang painting. Sa nakikita niyong picture, sa picture na ito, nagpapahiwatig ito na hindi lamang nasusukat ang lakas o tibay ng katawan, kundi napatunayan ni Miguel Lopez de Legazpi at Dato Sikatuna na kayang magkaisa ang dalawang bansa. Pinatunayan nila na sa kanilang pagkakaisa ay nagkasundo ang dalawang bansa at hiniwan nila ang kanilang baraso at hinayaang tumulo ang dugo at sabay itong ininom upang simbolo ng kanilang pagkakaibigan at pagkakaisa ng dalawang bansa. Yun lamang po, maraming salamat po. Thank you.